It's everything, you know. I mean, we say we go out into nature, but really, like, we are nature. My name is Chris Eyre-Walker. I am an adventure photographer and filmmaker. What's beautiful about photography, it gives me an excuse, a reason to go to a place, and whatever happens there is out of my control, but at least, you know, the photography took me there. And if I capture a good photo, then it's something, a personal moment, a personal experience that I've captured and held frozen in time. The photography like gives you that little push and that little extra motivation to be or to go to a place. If I'm there and I don't capture a single good photo, I am still in the right place, and you know, nature then suddenly puts on this show and you're in the middle of it and you get to experience it. It's like the chaos that somehow finds a way to organize itself. It's an incredible force that reminds you, you know, where you come from and what you are, and it does exactly that to me. Nature, we experience it with all our senses, and being somewhere incredibly cold, windy or hot, that's not necessarily something you see, but that's part of the experience. Go out into nature and embrace it and experience the nature with all your senses, but also through nature to then experience yourself at the same time. It was photography that got us up at 4:15 in the morning. You know, first painful few seconds, but then once you're up, you're just going and you see that first light glowing on the horizon. Photography was the force that got us together. Many of us have lost that connection. I'm happy that photography over the years has kept me connected to nature and has given me reasons to be in nature. And I hope that other people can find ways of doing that too. Wind is just incredible, you know, it's this invisible force that only through the environment that it touches, it becomes something that you see and can feel.